Okay, Module 3. This is going to be the integumentary system, which is going to be Chapter 4 in your medical terminology book. So the things we're going to do for this chapter is learn about the integumentary system, which is skin, nails, and even glands. So the functions of this system are to form a protective layer that covers the entire body, which is actually the integumentary system, skin, very important and largest organ of the body. It helps to regulate body temperature and help to manufacture vitamin D. So things that you're going to do in this module are learn the medical terms related to this specific system. Different types of things that you're going to do in this module, again, are going to be pretty similar to what you had done in the past. You're going to read your Chapter 4, complete the exercises. There's a bunch of different types of activities for you to complete. Next, you'll do the Module 3 pronunciation assessment for Chapter 4. You'll have your assessment exam and then your spelling quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know.